Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly&Ride here. I've got an awesome short little video for you today. I am actually going to be switching out my stock license plate on my CVO, and I'm going to be installing the Bagger Nation Paul Yaffe'S Stealth 3 license frame. As you can see from here, and this is actually the black version. I'm going to unbox this here so you can see what's inside the box here in a minute. But this gives a really nice smooth look to the fender, and it removes this hideous license plate holder that comes with the stock option on the CVO. I was reminded by one of my friends that I ride with that I needed to change this out ASAP. I won't call him out, but if he's watching this video, he knows who it is. And shortly after I was license plate shamed, I went and ordered it. And frankly, it wasn't just because he had suggested that I change it. I had been considering this license plate cover for a while, and that was the icing on the cake. He mentioned it, and I said, all right, let me order it. And this is actually not going to be a full install video, although I am going to show you the things that I'm using to do the install. And the reason why I'm not doing the full install video is because I searched on YouTube just like everybody else, and I found a great video. It was actually the only video I found showing the removal of this CVO license plate frame here. And he does a really awesome job, step by step. It's a relatively simple install. So I'm just going to give you his information. Go check out Motor King Madness on YouTube. Or if you look up Paul Yaffe'S Bagger Nation Stealth 3, that video should come up. I did it, and it was the only video I found that has this. So again, to Motor King Madness, it's a great video. It helped me. And again, if anybody wants to see the full video, go check him out. I think he does a great job of walking you through all of these steps. So I figured, as opposed to essentially replicating what he did, I basically found out what to do based on his video. It was very helpful, so it's my way of thanking him, and I'm going to post his information here so you can go watch it if you want it. And if you don't, if you just want to see before and after, then stick around and check out my version of switching this stuff out, which is telling you what I'm going to do, showing you the tools, and then showing you the before and after. And then we're going to take the bike for a ride, like I always like to do. I'm going to try to install the 360 here, and I'm going to show you a nice view in the rear of what it looks like, especially when it's lit up. If you're new to the channel, on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos on my 2020 Sand Dune CVO that you see right here. I also fly the DJI MAVIC 2, and on most of my rides I will show you cinematic drone footage of all of the areas that I go riding across the great state of New Jersey. I also from time to time do product reviews. I do product installs and upgrades to the bike, and I just did an upgrade video on removing the stock mirror, so if you haven't seen that, go check out my video library. And now I'm doing this quick upgrade, changing out this bad boy here and replacing it for this one. So if you like that kind of stuff, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you as the channel continues to grow. Also remember to hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. And remember to hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I update new content like this one. So I'm gonna show you here in a real quick version what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna show you the before and after. So, first of all, I am gonna do an unboxing to show you what's inside the box and what comes in the box. And then I'm going to walk you through the tools that are required to do the change. All right, so let me show you what's inside the box. Let's see what we got here. This is my handy dandy light. All right, well, this is pretty cool. It gives you a nice diagram here of where the holes ultimately have to go. Now it does come with instructions. However, the one piece of feedback that I have for Bagger Nation is this instruction manual is basically for what seems to be a Harley special or a Street Glide, not the CVO, because you can see from the pictures here this is not what the CVO comes with. So again, I mean, the options are going to be pretty similar. I think it's great that they included an actual install pamphlet here, and the fact that it's in color, so thumbs up for that. But it doesn't help me because, as you can see, mine looks like that. It's for the CVO, and this here is for a Street Glide and or a Street Glide Special. So this actually goes in the back of the plate so that it doesn't scratch the paint here on the CVO once you install it. We'll put that here on the side. Here's the actual plate. Let's take that out of the bag. This is the wire that connects to the back. These are the screws that will go in there. We'll have to drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit so that it fits this diameter here. And then this is what it actually looks like, which I think looks pretty awesome. This is you can get a chance to see what it's going to look like after we're done it. And again, I'm going to show you the before and after here in a second. I'll put this to the side here. Oh, and by the way, this goes here, over here, and that's what protects it from scratching the paint. This is the hardware. I'm not exactly sure what this is for. We'll have to check that out. So we're going to put that to the side here. And that's what's in the box. So you're going to need a 7/16 socket to remove the screw that's behind there. And then you're going to need a T25 to remove these screws right here. And that's it. Those are the only tools that you're going to need. And then, of course, you're going to need a 1/4-inch drill, so you can drill the factory holes larger so that it fits the back of this new plate cover. All right, so again, go check out that video if you want the full details. I'm actually going to show you here real quick what this looks like underneath. So I can show you what you need to do. All right, so what I'm showing you up there is the actual nut that you have to remove. And then once you remove that nut, there's a plastic cover right underneath it, right on top of it, and that's the plastic cover that you remove. Once you remove that plastic cover, you just unplug it, and then you come back here, you remove those two screws, and then this whole thing ultimately comes off. So the next time you see it, you're gonna see the new plate cover on there, and then we'll take it for a ride. So it took a little longer than expected. I had to have dinner in between there, and now obviously it's getting darker a lot quicker. So, but check this out. Look how nice and clean this looks. I think it looks so much better. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this look. And then what I'm going to do is I'm also going to take it for a ride and do the 360 view in the back so you can see it. And actually, I'm going to turn on the bike now so you can see the lights and see how cool it actually looks with the lights on. Because it's got LEDs right underneath there. So let me show you that now real quick. Check that out, how cool that looks. And it flows so much better than that hideous thing that was sticking out there before. I wanted to show you Yaffe's license plate cover with the 360. So you're looking at it now. And again, I just think it looks awesome. I wanted to take the bike for a quick ride, but I think it looks great. Again, let me know down in the comments below what you think. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. Again, a quick short video. I talked about the tools, I talked about the part, talked about where to go get it. If you want to see the juicy details, it was actually pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I think the most tedious part was all of the little screws in the back of the plate that you have to remove to put the plate in. That's just time consuming, but other than that, very straightforward. Check out that video if you want all of the specifics. I think you did a great job explaining all of it. But hopefully, you know, if you're considering upgrading it, this video We'll give you some perspective on what it looks like before and what it looks like afterwards. And again, how relatively easy it is and the little bit of tools that you actually need to make this change. So do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you as the channel continues to grow. Also remember to hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. And remember to hit that bell icon so you can be reminded of future updates. Thanks for watching.